branches of accounting. The first main branch of accounting is financial accounting. It is a very simple part of accounting, but very important part. Why simple and why important? Simple because it will record day-to-day transactions as and when it takes place. So you simply record the events and the transactions which are taking place in the business in their day-to-day life. So accordingly, financial accounting does only the job of recording the transactions in the books of accounts. That's it. Alright, but why important? Because all the transactions which relates to business needs to be recorded in the particular books of accounts. So if you miss out a transaction, then you don't know, there may be some problems in the business. So financial accounting has to take care that nothing is missed and every transaction related to business is recorded. After financial accounting and preparation of financial statements, the next part comes as management accounting. Now management includes all higher level authorities, the persons who manage the business, the managers, the workforce at top level who are decision makers for the business. Now in management accounting, what they do is they analyze and interpret the statements which are prepared by the financial accountant. They not only take care, the management accountants not only take care of the present situation, but they also will analyze and predict future about the business organization. So management accounting is basically all about analysis, interpretation and predicting the future, and also controlling the organization internally as well as externally. So this is what about management accounting. Next is cost accounting. Now as the word suggests, cost means what? Cost means all the amount that is incurred or included right from the purchase of raw material till the time it is converted into finished product. So right from point 1 to last point, whatever expenses are incurred will be the responsibility of cost accountant to record all the cost, and so that we come to know how much total amount is being spent on development or manufacturing of a particular product. So basically what does cost accounting do? They just help us to find out the cost. Until and unless you don't know the cost, you will never be able to fix a selling price. So in that way, cost accounting is very, very important. Thereafter, next to accounting may not be expressed in terms of money, but still these are rather important. So I'll just explain it and include in the branches of accounting. The first one being social responsibility. No doubt, no wonder all the business organizations are always under the target of or under the influence of profit maximization. But at the same time, they have to take care that because of their business, the environment, the society at large does not get affected. And that is the reason social responsibility accounting is very, very important for all the things which are related and for a social benefit and environment in which the business is working. So even though social responsibility accounting does not find place in books of accounting, but it is important because it studies the impact of a business organization on environment and the society. So that is where social responsibility accounting comes into the picture. Next is human resource accounting. Be the most important resource ever, because if there are the human resources not efficient, if there are no human resource, an organization will never be able to function properly. So that is why big organizations have HR department, that is human resource department, and they spend so much of amount behind recruiting the right person for the right job. So human resource accounting is nothing but to identify and segregate all the valuable human resources and allocate the work to each and every individual in an organization as per his or her capability. Let us talk about something which is called as accounting system. Now, what exactly is the accounting system? I can also say that it is nothing but a type of cycle, or what exactly are the main components which are included in accounting system. You start with sales, but what are sales for? Once you sell the goods, once you complete your inventory, the next step will come to purchasing. So these two are interrelated. As soon as you purchase, you think about selling them off. So whatever sales are there will automatically be replaced by purchasing that much quantity, and then we will be again selling them. This cycle will continue for a while, but after a particular period of time, whatever was purchased and whatever was not sold out of the material purchased or the goods purchased, I repeat, whatever was purchased and whatever was not sold out of the goods or material which were purchased will now be termed as inventory, or rather a stock of goods which is there lying in the business, right? So inventory is there, inventory is the stock. Next comes the customer. Customer comes to particular business organization and demands a particular product. So if we are having inventory, we will be able to satisfy a customer. We cannot keep a customer waiting. So we should have a stock of inventories always and always available to satisfy the wants of customer. Now if suppose we don't have inventory, what another link is important for the business or accounting system is suppliers, because they keep on supplying the goods, and that is why the business runs properly. So this cycle continues. After sales comes purchase, after purchases whatever is left is inventory, then comes customer demands the product or service whatever he wants, then comes suppliers. So these all form part of broader accounting system. Each and every point, each and every aspect is very, very important. After that we come to the next one, fixed asset. Now what are fixed assets? Fixed assets are those assets which help me to conduct my business smoothly. They are generally kept in the business for a period of more than 1 year. So now let us say, for example, for conducting lectures, that is in a particular business setup, for conducting lectures I need laptops, alright. So I need laptops, I need textbooks, I need markers, etc, etc, etc. I need whiteboard. This helps me. I need benches on which student can sit. This helps me to conduct my business smoothly. So these are very, very, very essential for conduct or the functioning of the business. So fixed asset is there, and overall there will be general accounts which forms main part of accounting system. So everything right from sales till fixed asset, everything, every moment will be recorded in general accounts.